How real estate agents can make 7 Instagram reels in the matter of minutes using artificial intelligence. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group, and we are on the leading edge of teaching realtors how to use artificial intelligence in order to level up their business. I personally have seen a massive gain in my content production and are getting more leads than ever by using artificial intelligence to produce my content. Not only do these applications know what the best hooks are and what the best are for you to go viral, they also make it very easy for you to use. So no longer can you have the excuse of I don't have the time or the money in order to do social media and video content. Because me personally, using this tool that I'm going to tell you has saved me about $40,000 a year. And I teach you exactly how to use it in my artificial intelligence course so it can save you time and money. So if you're someone that wants to start using AI, especially for video production, go to the description and join my course. It's going to provide you more value than anyone else. I know a lot of people, they may buy courses and stuff from on how to get more business in real estate, but these people aren't actual real estate agents. I'm personally in the battlefield, in the trenches with you guys every single day. I know what it's like dealing with unreasonable sellers, tough buyers that are showing a million homes, and this is where we've gotten the leg up, is using artificial intelligence to grow our business as the market's going down, because we're getting more efficient and we can focus on the meat and potatoes, what drives our business, which is prospecting, getting more leads. And I'm using AI in order for my team to do that. So if you're someone that wants to learn, go to the description, join our course. It's going to be mind-blowing how valuable this is going to be and how much it's going to take your real estate game to the next level. I can personally guarantee that. Okay, so let's dive into how you can make 7 short form clips in the matter of minutes using AI. So step 1, if you've seen some of my other content on making video production as a real estate agent, is I've personally started using ChatGPT to write all my scripts and YouTube scripts, where I've seen a 52,000% increase in efficiency. So now, instead of it taking me hours upon hours in order to make one YouTube video, I can spend that time prospecting, getting more leads, going on more appointments, which ultimately is leading to me having a more booked up calendar from all the leads that I'm generating from YouTube. And I do that through ChatGPT with the scripting. So if you want to learn exactly how to produce content on YouTube with using ChatGPT, it's inside my course. Go to the description and join right there. So that's step 1. Once you've used AI to do that, then you got to go film the video, and if you get someone to edit, or you can use a AI application like Descript, that's super easy to use. But the application I'm talking about, that I feel like this was made for me, because I used to have all these people managing my social media, chopping up these clips, repurposing them. You can now use an application called Opus Clip, where you just input the link from your YouTube video and it instantly produces you 7 short form clips with the best hooks and the best virality score on the rating there. And know what's the best part about that is, after it's edited all for you, you can post it easily from the web browser. So no more do you have to download it. It takes all this time in order for it to download. Then you got to re-upload it to Instagram in order to post it. You can now do that directly inside the web browser, and it rates you the best titles with the best hooks in order to captivate the audience. So Opus Clip is probably the biggest game changer app that you're going to find for real estate agents, especially if you're already making video content. So if you want to take this to the next level and start attracting more clients using video, you got to start adopting AI. Like I said, no longer can you use the excuse that I didn't have the time or the money to use it. Opus Clip is about $120 at the time of filming this video, and it does it all for you. Take advantage of this. This is how my calendar is completely booked with clients from my social media wanting me to buy and sell their home. So if you want to learn exactly how we're taking artificial intelligence to the next level in order to get us more leads through video, you're going to want to join that course there in the description, and I'm going to help you out every step of the way so you can start achieving your real estate goals.